I hope you all know that. I hope you all know that this is 120. Now, don't keep quiet. The second number jump by how much percent? 10% jump. 10% jump. So 10% of 120 or 10% of 100. It's not of 100. 10% of 120. Shall we jump 10% of 120, everybody? Below, what is 10% of 120? Remove one zero, keep a dot, that is 12. So when 120 jump by 10%, it will be 132. समझ में आ रहा है everybody? It will be what beta? 132. You tell me what is the previous area? 100. What is the new area? 132. Do you think how much it is increasing? Bolo beta, how much it is increasing? How much it is increasing? 32 it is increasing. Yes or no? 32 per cent on 100, 32. So answer is 32%. I hope everybody understood this concept. Is it clear to you? Come on, say yes or no. Understood, Aditi? The gap between them. The previous area was 100. I took cent. You only told na per cent. That's the reason I took it as cent. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes, Rakesh Naidu. Are you okay with this concept now, at least? Thank you, Rakesh. Okay, Amit Patel, that's what. We are not formula. Okay, damn easy. That's it. Array, you have done with 100. That's the reason damn easy. When new student comes in, sit in the class today, he will understand. Sir, ये 120 कैसे आया? हाँ? Sir, ये 132 कैसे आया? We are struggling for 2 days. How to calculate percent? Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? That's good. Shall we move forward now? चलिए. So now, here, clear? I don't know what is this. Let me just try to give you one question. Okay, let me just try to give you one small question, everybody. Yeah, I would like to give you one question. This question have come in the GATE examination last year, 2019. I would like to give one GATE examination. Everybody have a look here. If the side of a square increase by 10%, find the percentage increase in area of the square. Come on. This question is given to you, for example. So we have to understand one common sense. What is that? Area. Area is what, beta? Area is what? L into bit? No. Area is nothing but side into side. Are you understanding, Bhuvan? Are you understanding? Just try to listen, everybody. Area is nothing but side into side. Now let me just try to replicate this one. Who is acting like product? Who is acting like product? Area. Who is acting like first number? Side. Who is acting like second number? Side. Are you understanding? Sunny, you got the answer instantly. Thoda to waqt lo yaar, Reshma. Take some time. You are telling the answers instantly. Huh? That's good. Induja also saying 21. Clear? Now, can we do the same thing here also? Yes. Why? Because it's a product of two numbers. Bolo beta, this is a product of what numbers, beta? This is a product of two numbers. Okay. So, let the number be 100. Let the number be 100. Who 100? Baba, who 100? Any idea who 100? Come on. Let the number be 100. Who 100? Come on, bolo beta, who 100? Come on, who 100? This has come in one of the side, not side 100, Harshal, area 100, Aniket, best answer. Who 100? Area 100. Let the area, I assume 100. Now, first number, how much change? 10%. First side jump by 10%. Definitely other side also jump by 10% because this will be same. Are you understanding? Every 10% jump, 110. 10% jump. Again 10% jump. 10% of 110. I don't know what 10% of 110. Do you have any idea what is 10% of 110? Zadak. What is that? 11. Bolo beta, what is 10% of 110? 11. Chalo 11 jump. Chalo 11 jump. So 110 plus 11 makes 121. Are you understanding? तुम कौन थे? सर हम 100 थे. अब तुम क्या बने? हम 121 बने. तुम कितना बड़े? हम 21 बड़े. 21. Are you understanding everybody? So bolo beta, what's the answer? 21%. So answer is 21%. Are you understanding everybody? Say yes or no. Yes or no. Yes or no. Yes or no. Is it fine everybody? So this is the way the question is being given to you. Following everybody. Clear? And sometimes the questions have been given like this also. Listen everybody. Oh yes. Now let's try to move forward here. He told you if the just try to move forward. Everybody have a look everybody. What he said that here. Now listen everybody the question here. What the question has been given students here. Oh Bal Chandra Reddy. Yes. Anyways, let's try to move forward. Vinendra says yes. Okay, good. What is the question here? In a company, the price of a television is increased by 20%. Understood everybody? Bolo beta, what's the price? A price is increased by 20%. Following everybody? Whereas the number of televisions sold decreased by 20%. Means the number of televisions sold decreased by 20%. Following everybody? So you all tell me beta, what is that? What is that? Okay. So whenever you have quantity is multiplied with price, when quantity is multiplied by with price, what do you get beta? Sales. Are you understanding everybody? What we all get? Sales. So you have to try to understand one thing. You are supposed to try to understand one thing. Sales is nothing but the quantity into price. Not understood? I'll tell you. Beta, area is equal to length into breadth. Area is equal to length into breadth now. Am I right everybody? Area is equal to length into breadth. So who is acting like area? Sales. Question is same. Don't worry about that. Who is acting like length? Price. Who is acting like breadth? Number of quantities, TVs sold, number of TVs. So can we apply same? Can we apply same? Yes, sir. Are you understanding everybody? Can you apply same? Yes, why not? समझ में आ रहा है everybody? Yes, why not? Is it fine everybody? चलिए. So let's try to take 100. Same question. Who 100? Who 100? Once again. Previously area 100. Now sales 100. Imagine 100 rupees sales. How much sales beta? 100 rupees. Tell me. First number increase or decrease? You tell me. First number increase or decrease? Increase. Tell me first number increase by how much percent? 20%. So it will be 120. Second number is increase or decrease? Decrease by 20%. So you should know what is 20% of 120. Array, I don't know 20%. I know 10%. Remove 1 0. That's 10% is 12. Don't say, sir, how this 12 came. Array, sir, 10% is 12 in 120. Then below what is 20%? 20% is 24. When 10% is 12, 20% is 24. So, shall I add that 24 or subtract? Subtract, because you are decreasing here. Following everybody? So, when you subtract 24, it will be what? 96. Understood? 24. 20% of 120 is 24. You have to subtract 24. Let us subtract that 24. Are you understanding students? Chaliye. Now. So when you subtract that 24, it will become how much beta? 96. So what is your new sales? Sorry for that. Okay. Bolo beta, what is your new sales? My new sales is 96. What is my old sales? 100. Old sales is 100. Now new sales is 96. How much it is less? 4. How much it is less? 4. So below what is this? 4%. 4% less. Less means nothing but decrease. Are you understanding everybody? Say yes or no. Vaishnavi, everybody. Samajh mein aa raha hai everybody. There is nothing wrong in these things. Is that fine everybody? So answer is Agra, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi. Answer is Bangalore, Bangalore, Bangalore. Same area, length, S, sales. Understanding everybody? All both are same. This one and this one both are same. But question is slightly changed, beta. Question is slightly changed. I wanted to ask you one more question. Wanna check? This is one extra question I would like to ask. Yes. In some kind of entrance examination, he is not interested in percentages. Arey jao jao. Keep percentage with you only. I don't want percentage. What did he ask you in the new thing? Listen everybody. What he said, if the present sales of the company is 7,000 crores, what is the new sales? Understood everybody? If the present sales of the company is 7,000 crores, what is the new sales I want? Do you think new sales will also be 7,000? No way. Why the new sales will also be 7,000, beta? Tell me why it is not possible. Sir, you only told na sir, sales are affected by how much? 4%. Yes or no? Sales are affected by how much percent, beta? 4%. Are you understanding everybody? Yes, Rahul, तुमको कंपनी में नहीं बिठाना चाहिए, तुम घाटा करोगे, है ना? क्लियर? देखो राहुल, तुम्हारा कैलकुलेशन गलत है. That's good. So everybody, 4%, not 4 rupees or something, 4%. Okay, clear? I don't know 4%. Oh बाबू अनिकेत, 4% is 28 crores. क्या बात कर रहे हो? In 7,000 crores, 10%, 700, 1%, 1%, 70, 1%, 70, 1%, 70, 1%, 70, 4% is 280. This is the perfect answer. Understood, Sunny? 6720. Yes, Rakesh Naidu 6720. Aniket, Rahul, you made a small mistake. Are you understanding? You did not do anything. Rahul, you made a small mistake. That's it. In calculation. Rahul, Aniket thought 28. No, it's not 28. It is 280. Hope you have understood the new question once again. Following everybody. Some people are interested in percentage. Some people are interested in this thing. Are you understanding everybody? Minus 280 crores, Sagar. Is that fine everybody? Let's try to move forward now. अब मैं यहाँ पर press करूँगा. This was a gate question. Long back question. Please try to do it. Please try to do it now. Come on, everybody. The number of workers. Are you understanding everybody? Clear? The number of workers increased by 1/5. And the current number of workers, oh sorry, it's a small mistake here. Yeah, then everything is right, everything is right. But one small, something I have to add. Something. Find the new construction cost. If ये क्या है, if है, कौन सा if है? If the present construction cost is rupees 12,600. Come on. If the present construction cost is rupees 12,600. Are you understanding everybody? If the present construction cost is rupees 12,600. Following everybody? So students, let me just try to ask you one thing here. Area is length into breadth. Area is length into breadth. Sales is quantity into price. So same fashion here also, try to understand that. Workers, when you multiplied with their salary, then definitely you will have one thing, that is construction cost. Try to understand better. All are same questions. When workers are more, salary is more, construction cost is also more. When workers are less, salary is less, construction cost is also less. Chaliye, make it faster. I hope you all know 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but, bolo beta, 20%. I hope you know 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is nothing but 25%. Reshma, calculation mistake. Is it true, everybody? Are you sure? Are you sure this is 11,340? Oh, Karthik Babu. Karthik Babu is saying 12,200 something, 11,000. That's it. Good. Karthik, you gave me subtraction. That's good. Pratyusha is saying yes. Everybody on the board now? Not board. क्या बोलते हैं? आदत पड़ गई है चिल्ला चिल्ला कर. On the screen now. Yes. चलिए. Let's try to move forward now. Beta, we all know that area is length into breadth. Are you understanding, everybody? Area is what, beta? Area is length into breadth. Is it fine, everybody? Now, same fashion, construction cost is number of workers is multiplied with what? Salary, wages, whatever you call. You can call it wages also. Same word. Yeah, digital board. Harshal, that's good. Now, what happened in this thing? Workers are increased by 20%. Workers are increased by 20%. And the incurrent salary is decreased by how much, beta? 25%. So, definitely construction cost will also be affected. But I don't want percent. But we have to find out the percent, everybody. What's out, everybody? Let the number be 100. You know, I know, everybody knows. Students, you know, I know, everybody know. Could you please tell me who is 100? Bolo beta, who is 100? Any idea who is 100? Bolo, I am waiting for you. Who is 100? Cost, construction cost is 100. Very good, very good, very good. Always area, product is 100, area is 100. That's what I'm just asking you to remind you whether you know the basics or not. That's it. Following, everybody? That's good, that's good. So, first number increase by how much beta? 20%, up 120. Second number is decreased by 25%, 20% of 120. I don't know 25% of 120. What is 50% of 120, Baba? 60. Definitely, you have to assume this as 100% only, na? Huh? That's good. When 100% is 120, beta, what is 50%? 60. When 50% is 60, bolo beta, what is 25%? Half of that, 30. So 30 down, 30 down because it decrease. Because it is decrease. So when you decrease by 30, you tell me what is the number here? 90. Acha, now I understood. The construction cost became 90 rupees. The construction became how much beta? 90 rupees. What's the previous construction cost? 100 rupees. Now you have to invest only 90 rupees. How much less? 10 per cent. So 10%. Up or down, up or down, check it out. Check out the numbers. It's down, 10% down. Answer is what beta? 10% down. That is decrease. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? But I'm not interested in the percentage. I'm interested in the new construction cost. What's the present construction cost? 12,600. In future also 12,600. No, 10% down. I don't know what is 10%. You should subtract 10%. 10% is 1260. Are you understanding? Everybody subtract 1260. I think that. Well, what's that? 40. Am I right, everybody? 5. Are you sure? Am I doing right? What is the answer, beta? What is the answer? I don't know subtractions. I'm very poor in subtractions. Yeah, 11,000. This thing. That's good. Is it 11,340? Yes, 11,340. Pakka. Chalo. Pakka. That's good. That's good. बस यही तो है percentages. Shall we move forward now? Yes. He may give you area. He may give you sales. He may give you construction cost. He may give you this. Listen, everybody. Clear? He may give you this. What did he give you over here? Have a look here. If the price of the sugar is increased by 10%, sugar price when you eat for sweet every month, and the quantity you consume also decrease by 10%. Find the percentage change in the expenditure. Definitely, you all know that. Every month you purchase some quantity of sugar, maybe 4 kgs of quantity of sugar, and each quantity have got price. What's the price, beta? Believe that 40 rupees per kg. What is that, beta? 40 rupees per kg. Are you understanding, everybody? So 4 kgs you purchase, assume 40 rupees per kg. So what's the number you're getting here? 160. Who is this 160? Is this construction cost? No. Is this sales of the sugar? No. Is this area of the sugar? No. Volume of the sugar? No. So what is this? This is expenditure. Your monthly expenditure. How much you buy and what is the price? How much you buy and what is the price? Are you understanding? Everybody say yes, 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 yes. Due to festival season, prices went up. Due to festival season, prices went up, and you have to purchase more quantity due to festival. Don't you think your expenditure will also be changing? Yes, that's good. So here also, let the number be 100. Are you understanding, everybody? Let the number be what, beta? 100. Is that fine, everybody? You're telling answers, that's good. या तो मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ा रहा हूँ या तो तुम लोग बहुत शार्प हो गए. चलिए, now price is increased by 10% and quantity consumed is decreased by 10%. Following, everybody? चलिए, let the expenditure be 100, 10% down, 99, 10% up. Are you sure? first is decreased by, oh sorry, not 99, sorry, 90. Again 10% up, 99. So this finally has 1% decrease. चलिए सनी, ओके थैंक यू। और आगे बढ़ते हैं। आर यू ओके? यस और नो? 1% डिक्रीज। चलिए थैंक यू अक्षय। आगे बढ़ते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं। Let's try to move forward, everybody. Sujita, let's try to move forward now. Here, SAR, sir. My question is like this. Listen, everybody. Listen, everybody. Why I shall give you length and breadth? Ask you area. My question is like this. Listen, everybody. Why shall I give you length and breadth and ask you area? Why shall I give you price and number, ask you sales? Why shall I give you workers and salary and ask you construction cost? Why shall I give you quantity and price, always ask you expenditure? No. Understood, everybody? This time, things will be changed now. Listen, everybody. This time, things will be changed, everybody. Why shall I give you side and side, ask you area? Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? Now, we will just try to slightly change this question, everybody. Are you understanding, everybody? We will just try to slightly change this one, everybody. Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to increase. Listen, everybody, I'm teaching one small question. One, this is done, everything is done. Okay? Now, listen, everybody. Area is length and breadth. Sales is quantity into price. Construction cost is workers into labor, salary. Are you understanding? Expenses is quantity you purchase into price. So students might have a doubt. Sir, why you will give me length and breadth, ask you area? Why give you quantity and price, ask you sales? Why I give you workers and salary, ask you this? Why I give you this one and this one, ask you this thing? Huh? Why shall I give you always these two and ask you that side? Now, I will give you area, I will give you breadth, you tell me length. Arey Baba, I will give you what happened to sales. I'll give you quantity, you tell me what happened to price now. Arthamai Tunda. Babu, I will give you cost and workers, or I'll give you salary. You tell me what happened to workers. So I'll give you expenses, I'll give you this thing. What happened to this thing? So questions will be like this also. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. Come on, jaldi karo. We have to start profit and loss. Say jaldi, yes or no. This is missing. No, Balchandra, oh, L, B by O, no. There is nothing like that. You are thinking too much, okay? B by A. There's nothing like that. There's nothing like that. Okay, there's nothing like that, Balchandra. There's nothing like that. Just listen now. Everybody. Okay. Now, what do we do here? Let me just try to give you one small question. Clear? Let me just try to give you one small question. Everybody, here. Salary, workers, construction cost. salary is decreased by 20%. Workers are decreased by 25%. What happens to construction cost? Please tell me. Come on, make it faster, everybody. Make it faster. Come on, students. Rakesh Naidu says 10% decrease. Nadeem, I didn't understand why you're asking why. Please try to clarify. If you say why na, अब मुझे लगता है many whys are there. You have to be clear, what why is that? Akshay says 10%. Very good. Very good. Very good, students. You are answering. That's good. What did you tell me, beta? What did you tell me? 10%. 10% decrease. $150. 150. Calculation, Babu, Sagar. Calculation, check it out. Okay. Now, on the board now. This time, you all know that. You all know that. What is that, beta? Construction cost is equal to salary into workers. This all know that. But what I am doing now I am hiding these workers. Understanding, everybody? Understood what I mean to say that? Listen. Construction cost is equal to salary into workers. Students, I am telling you how to do it. Everybody, listen. This time, I am giving you cost. I am giving you salary. But I am hiding you what? Workers. Understood the question? Previously, I gave you salary, I gave you construction worker, you tell me construction cost. Just now you told me. But I am changing the module. When I give you salary, I give you workers, you just told construction cost. But this time, I am giving you salary, I am giving you construction cost, I want what is workers. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, similarly, same way how to do it. Let the number be 100. Always construction cost. Let the number be 100. Bolo, who 100 beta? Construction cost is 100. Following, everybody? Chalo. So, do you think two numbers are given to you? No. Only one number is given to you. Tell me one number. Listen carefully. Ab ye nahi bolna, sir, tell me once again. Please explain me once again. Huh? Listen. One number I gave you salary, 20%. Bolo 20%. Ab bolo to what? 120. Understood? Till here, okay? Now, second number, not given, sir. Not given, sir. Second number is given? No, it's not given. Look, second number is not given. Second number is not given. Are you sure second number is not given? Yes. But final number is given. Sir, this construction cost is 100. In future also 100. Huh? In future also 100 rupees only. No. In future, it will not be 100 rupees. In future, it will be 10% decrease. So, in future, it is 10% down. So, tell me the construction cost 10% down, it's no more 100. What is that, beta? 90. Standing everybody. What is that? 90. Is that fine, everybody? Are the things are clear to you? That's good. So, students, let me just ask you one thing here. So, what is this construction 100. How you got this 90? Sir, you only told na 10% less? Yes. Now, beta, that's good. Now, these two numbers will decide what is the gap. Bolo beta, what's the gap here? Bolo, what's the gap here? Bolo, what's the gap here? The gap is how much? 30. So, 30% or 30 per 120? 30 per 120. Are you understanding, everybody? 30 per 120. Following, how to get the second number? 30 per 120. 30 per 120 means 3 per 12. 3 per 12. 3 per 12. बोले तो 3 1 जा 3 4 जा 1 per 4. बोलो 1 by 4 20% sir. Are you sure 20? Sorry, 25%. So tell me, so 30 per 120 is how much beta? 25%. So we can say the one number is given 20%. So tell me what the other number should be. Is it 30%? No. It is 30%? No. It is not 30%. It is 30 per. Bole beta, what is that? 30 per 120. 30 per 120. Well, to 1 by 4. That is 25%. Are you understanding, everybody? Do you think hidden? Check it out, 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 check it out. Is it 25? Yes, 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 yes. Check it out. You got the same answer. Are you understanding, everybody? If I give you salary, if I give you construction cost, can you tell me workers? Yes, sir. Why can't I say like this? We have to say. Ardhamaitunda. Come on, say yes or no. Come on. Come on. Very good. 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 Super, 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 super. Oh, very good. Very good. But saying yes is not sufficient. Do one question. Chalo, do it now. Come on, beta. Do it now, everybody. You got the answer, everybody. So it is 60% increase or decrease. Is it increased, Reshma? That's good. So this was one of the questions which was given to you. This was one of the questions which was given to you. Are you sure, Pragati? Rakesh Naidu, what happened? Sagar? Harshad, Tiwari, Aditi, you got the answer? That's good. Everybody on the screen now. Sales is equal to number of tickets into price of the each ticket. But he gave you price is decreased by 20%. Sales is up by 28%. What happened to the tickets? Following everybody? That's good. So let the number be 100. One number is given, other number is not given. Students, one number is given, other number is not given. Tell me what is the one number given? 20%. 20% down, 20% down, 20% down means 80. 20% down means 80. Other number is not given, students. Other number is not given. Only one number is given to you. Are you understanding, everybody? Only one number is given to you. Price into what? Tickets. Only one number is given to you. Is it fine, everybody? 20%. Are you sure, everybody? Chaliye. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward. Okay. So other number is not given, but sales is given. Sales is increased by 28%. Bole beta, sales is increased by 28%. Sales is increased by 28%. Means currently 100 rupees sales. Do you think in future also 100 rupees? No, no. It's not 100 in future. It's not 100. 28% more. Beta, what is 28%? 28% of 100 is more, 128. Are you understanding? The people who have not got it? It is 128. Try to understand that. Okay, sales is increased by 128. Okay, so this we can decide it with the help of gap. Well, what's the gap right now? 48. What's the gap, beta? 48. So you tell me 48% or 48. Can we say 48%? No, we can't say. It's not 48%. It is 48 per 80. 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 So we can convert it into percentage. Okay, 12 4s are 48. 12, not 8. 8 6 are 8 10s are 0 0 cancel. Answer is 60. So we can say 60%. So tickets are 60%. Up or down, up or down, up or down. Check it out. It is going up. Up. Are you understanding, everybody? So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Hopefully everybody have got the answer. Am I right, everybody? Say yes or no. Come on, students. I just want your answers. Say yes or no. Come on. Is it yes, everybody? Shall we move forward now? Thank you. Okay. So with the help of this, we have completed the end of the session of percentages. Hope you have learned all the different variety of questions from percentages. Okay, everybody. Now, what do we do now? We will do a topic called what? Profit and loss, beta. What's the next topic here? Profit and loss. Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye. Let's try to have profit and loss, everybody. Clear? Let's try to have profit and loss right now. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, what is there profit and loss? Profit and loss nothing but it comes from percentages. Students, profit and loss comes from where, beta? It comes from percentages only. It's not like that we are doing something new. It is coming from percentages only. Is that fine, everybody? Chaliye. Now, there are the basics which I have to teach you. Okay, listen, everybody. Here you have two things. One, cost price. The other, selling price. I'm teaching you basics. Okay, once you know these basics, everything is gone. So when the cost price is more and selling price is less, we always have what? Loss. We always have loss. Are you understanding, everybody? Remember, when the cost price is less and the selling price is more, we always have profit. That's it. Are you understanding, everybody? Over. Basics are over. Bas. Anything else you would like to know? That's it. Over, beta. Basics are over. That's it. There's nothing to learn more. That's what. When the cost price is less, you are purchasing at less price and selling at more price, it's a profit. Understood, everybody? But when you're purchasing at more and you're selling at less, it's a loss. That's very simple. Following, everybody? Nadeem, ये Y क्या होता है? What is this Y, Nadeem? Please tell me. Chaliye, let's try to move forward. Okay, let him chat now. Now, over, beta, over. Actually, let me tell you here. Profit is selling price minus cost price. You all know that. Loss is cost price minus selling price. You all know that. Okay, it's yes, Nadeem. Thank you. Why money? Yes. Thank you, Nadeem. Okay, now, formula. Profit percentage, selling price minus cost price minus this thing. This is a one more formula. When selling price is given, loss percentage is given, this is a formula. When selling price is given, profit percentage is given, this is a formula. This is profit and loss formula. And many more formula are there. ये है आम जिंदगी. Are you understanding, everybody? We are not interested in all these things. Are you understanding, everybody? Try to understand that. We are not interested in all these things. समझ में आ रहा है? What we are interested in? We are interested in only this thing. What is that, beta? Two things. Cost price, selling price. हाँ तो हमने यूज कहाँ किया है? वो तो आम जिंदगी है ना. Following, everybody? Good. Yes, 90% we won't use any formula. Try to understand that. Okay. Now, there are two things. One is cost price, one is selling price. One is cost price, then selling price. When cost price is more, and selling price is less, loss. When the cost price is less and selling price is more, profit. Are you understanding, everybody? Over. These are the basics. There is nothing more. Yes, truly, there's nothing more. Following, everybody? Chaliye. Now, so for doing all these things without formula, we don't want to have formula. Many more formulas are there. You need to learn fractions. Students, you need to learn fractions. हाँ वीरेंद्र, सबसे पहले कौन आया दुनिया में? अंडा या मुर्गी? इट्स नॉट अंडा मुर्गी. Concept came first, then formula. I told you in clocks also. Following, everybody? Aditi, yeah, पुराना word इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो तुम. That's good. चलिए everybody, so remember that half बोले तो 50%. Remember that. So don't forget the fractions. If you don't want to learn with the help of formula, if you want to learn without the help of formula, you have to remember these fractions. Yes, truly students, you have to remember these fractions. In the classroom training, I will shout on the board. Everybody in the class shouts 1 by 2. People shout 50%. 1 by 2, 50%. 1 by 2, 50%. When 1 by 2 is 50%, what is full? I तुमको पता है फुल क्या होता है? 100%. अब तुम लोग फुल भी जानते हो तो क्वार्टर भी बोलो कितना होता है? What is quarter बेटा? What is quarter? 25%. Are you understanding everybody? So these are the things which you should remember. Okay, so let's say do mug up over here. 1 is 100%. Following everybody? What is 1? 100%. What is half? 50%. Don't forget these things. I'm teaching you something. Okay. Now, bolo, what are 1 by 4? 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? 25%. Clear? What is half of half? 1 by 4. What is half of half? 1 by 4. What is half of 1 by 4? Babu, 1 by 8. बोलो बेटा, what is half of 1 by 4? 1 by 8. तो बोलो ना half of 25%. Sir, 2.5%. Understanding how to do it, everybody? Is it fine, everybody, how to do it? So remember these things. So 1 बोले तो 100%. Half means 50%. Half of half is 1 by 4. Half of half is 1 by 4. Half of 50 is 25%. Half of 1 by 4 is 1 by 8. Half of 25% is 12.5. बोलो बेटा, what is 1 by 16? बोलो बेटा, what is 1 by 16? Everybody. What is 1 by 16? I want you to learn. I want you to copy all these things. Tell me, what is 1 by 16? That's good. 6.25. How you got 6.25 beta? That's good. Sir, 1 by 8 half is 1 by 16 only na? 1 by 8 half is 1 by 16 only na? Then bolo, what is 12 and half half? Bolo, what is 12 and half? 6, 1 by 4. That's it. So this is the way. I don't want you to remember 1 by 16. I don't want you to remember 1 by 16. Are, but please remember 1 by 8 na? Yes or no? Truly speaking, you can remember 1 by 8. Following everybody? I don't want to remember 1 by 16. Okay. Anyways, if I ask you what is 1 by 32, you can simply say half. Half of this thing. Bolo, what is 1 by 6 means what? 3. Bolo beta, what is 1 by 4? 1 by 8. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. Fractions play a very vital role in doing profit and loss, in doing data interpretation. समझ में आ रहा है, everybody? Say yes or no. That's good. So I don't want you to remember all this stuff. I don't want you to remember all this stuff. But at least I want you to remember. But at least I want you to remember 1 by 8. Following everybody? So let's try to move across. Bolo, what is 1? 100%. What is 1 by 2? 50%. What is 1 by 4? 25%. What is 1 by 8? This thing. Following everybody? So 1 by 3, you should remember, that is 33, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 33.3333, or you can say 1 by 3% also. Are you understanding, everybody? Is it clear to you? That's good. So 1 by 4 is 25%. You know that 1 by 5 is 20. Just now we have done construction cost and all. 1 by 5 is 20%. 1 by 6 is 16.2.5%. 1 by 7 is 14.2%. 1 by 10. Now, what's the interesting fact about 1 by 9 and 1 by 11? Let me tell you. 1 by 9 is 1 by 9 only. and 1 by 11 is 1 by 11 only. Following everybody? 1 by 9 is 1 by 9 only, 1 by 11 is 1 by 11 only, but 1 by 9 is 11 1 by 9. 1 by 11 is 9 1 by 11. These two will interchange here, that's it. Are you understanding everybody? So tell me, 1 by 9 is 1 by 9 only, but 11 1 by 9. 1 by 11 is 1 by 11 only, but 9 1 by 11. Are you understanding everybody? So this is quite easier for you. And 1 by 10 is awesome. 1 by 10 is simple, 10%. 1 means 100%. 1 means 100%. 100% I have divided 10 pieces, that is 10%. Are you understanding everybody? Say yes or no. I want you to mug up all these things. I want you to see the screen everybody, and I just want you to learn all these things. अच्छा लग रहा है ना? That's good. Following everybody? Yes. Seriously, you have to remember all these things. You have to remember all these things. If you wanted to save your time, and if you wanted to do all that. Is that fine everybody? Yes or no? That's good. Clear? You're in a chat box right now. If I shout, you will type and all, it will take a long time. But remember, 1, 100%. 1 by 2, 50%. What is 1 by 2? 50%. Bolo beta, what is 1 by 3? 33, 1 by 3%. What is 1 by 4? 25%. 1 by 5? 20%. 1 by 6, 16 and a half. Not 16 and a half, 16 2 by 3. 1 by 7 is 14 2 by 3. Bolo beta, what is 1 by 7? 14 2 by 3. 1 by 9 is 11 1 by 9. 1 by 11 is 9 1 by 11. Are you understanding? 1 by 9 is 11 1 by 9. 1 by 11 is 9 1 by 11. Are you understanding everybody? 1 by 10 is 10%, and this all things are very important. Following everybody? Yes. Sir, what is 1 by 3? 33 1 by 3. Bolo 1 by 3. 33 1 by 3. Yeah. Induja is saying in a relation between 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 12. Yes, why not? Yeah, why not? Same relationship. What you have done. Okay, clear? Now, yeah, definitely, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 and 1 by 12, definitely half now. This is 16. This is 8. This is 2/3. This is 1/3. Definitely it's a half of. If you remember 1 by 6, you can also remember 1 by 12. Following everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's try to move forward everybody. Let's try to move forward. If I'm going to ask you, could you please try to tell me what is 1 by 3? Students, what is 1 by 3 below? 1 by 3 is 33 1 by 3. Bolo, what is 1 by 3? 33 1 by 3%. Baba, bolo, what is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 is 20%. Sorry, 25%. Following. Bolo beta, what is 1 by 5? 1 by 5 is 20%. What is 1 by 5? 20%. It's like मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो पता नहीं, but I am mugging up all these things since 10 years. Now, you all tell me, what is 1 by 5? 1 by 5 is nothing but 20%. Are you understanding? When 1 by 5 is 20%, I want 2 by 5. Students, listen everybody. What is 2 by 5? 40%. When 1/5 is 20, when 1/5 is 20, beta, what is 2/5? what is 2/5? 40. Are you understanding? Bolo, what is 2/5? 40. Bolo, what is 3 by 5? 3 by 5, 3 by 5. When you multiply 1 by 5 is 20, 3 by 5, 3 by 5 is 60. అర్థమవుతుందా? అర్థమవుతుందా? Are you understanding everybody? Yes or no? చలిए. Now, that's good. Sir, what is 1 by 3? 33 1 by 3. Well, what is 2 by 3? Double. Double. Remember everybody. If somebody teaches you, listen, if somebody teaches you 1/3, 1/3 is 33 1 by 3, you all know that. Whenever somebody asks you 2/3, so you have to multiply this 2 here to get here. You should multiply this here to get here. Remember, this is said to be 2/3. Are you understanding, students? This is said to be what third, beta? 2/3. So you should remember 2/3. If you remember 1/3, automatically you'll get 2/3 also, na? Say yes or no? That's the reason you should remember 1/3. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes. I know that you all people are saying, sir, what is 1 by 7? 1 by 7 is 14 2 by 7. But sir, I don't want 1 by 7. I want 2 by 7. Yes, I want 2 by 7. How to get 2 by 7? Double. Double. That's it. Are you understanding, Padmini? Everybody is understanding here. 2 by 7 is double. Are you understanding, everybody? If somebody asks you 5 by 9, somebody asks you 5 by 9, Arre, what do I know 5 by 9? I know only 1 by 9. 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Bolo beta, what is 1 by 9? 11 1 by 9. What is 1 by 9? 11 1 by 9. You know 1 by 9, 11 1 by 9, 5 by 9, multiply by 5. 55. Multiply this one also, 5 by 9. Are you understanding, everybody? So whenever somebody asks you 4 by 9, 4 by 9, somebody asks you 4 by 9. So what do you do 4 by 9? Bolo beta, what is that? 44, multiply here also, 4 by 9. Understanding, everybody? I believe that you all people are loving to understand all these things, but I want 2 by 11. Bolo. Bolo. That's good. That's good. You're answering very fast. That is 18. How you got 1 by 11? What is 1 by 11? 1 by 11. What is 1 by 11 beta? 9 1 by 11. So when I ask you 2 by 11, multiply here. What is that? 18 2 by 11. समझ में आ रहा है सुभाषमिता? That's good. That's good. That's good. Perfect. Perfect. Genius all you people are. Are you understanding, everybody? Yeah. So you all have to remember these fractions. You all have to remember these basic fractions. Don't say, right, sir, I don't know this. Remember this. Otherwise, फॉर्मल है, ये है आम जिंदगी. Yes, truly I'm telling you. If you doesn't remember the basics, right, you have to depend on these things. Following, everybody? चलिए, now shall we move forward, everybody? Is it clear to you? चलिए, on the board now. On the board now. Look at that. I'm teaching you. Listen. If the cost price is 90 rupees and the selling price is 100 rupees. Okay. If the cost price is 90 rupees and the selling price is 100 rupees, so students, do you have any idea? Is it a profit or loss? It's a profit. Look, it's a profit. Are you understanding? It's a what, beta? Profit. So how to calculate profit percentage? बोलो बेटा, how to calculate profit percentage? Selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. Yes or no? Selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. So we all know that 10 divided by 90 into 100. 0 0 cancel, 100 by 9. It is what? 11 1 by 9. Are you understanding, everybody, students? Is it clear to you? But how we can say the time? Remember, very simple concept. बोले बेटा, how much you invested? बोलो, how much you invested? 100. How much you invested? 100. What's the money you got it? Sorry, you invested how much? 90. How much you got it? 100. How much extra? 10. How much extra, beta? 10. Is it 10%? बोलो. Is it 10%? No, 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 no. 10 per 90. 10 upon 90. बोलो बेटा, what is 10 upon 90? Sir, 1 by 9. 1 by 9. What is 1 by 9? 11 1 by 9. Same answer, we got it. Are you understanding, everybody? Same answer, we got it. So we will not do all these calculations. We have to basically remember these things. Are you understanding, everybody? So I believe you all people have got it. Now let's move forward. For example, if I'm giving you, everybody listen, everybody. Cost price is 80. Selling price is 100. Tell me what's the profit percentage? Is it 25%? That's good. How? Listen everybody. How much extra beta? How much extra? 20 rupees extra na? You invested 80 rupees and you got 100 rupees. Means 20 rupees extra na? 20%? No. 20 per 80. So 20 per 80. So 20 per 80. बोले तो 2 per 8. 2 per 8. 2 per 8. 2 per 8 means 1 by 4. बोलो बेटा, what is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 nothing but 25%. Are you understanding everybody? Hope everybody understanding. Chalo, I'm giving you one more here. This is 30, this is 40. Chalo, please tell me. Come on beta, please tell me. The more you think, the more positive you are. We will learn basics only today. At least we will learn the basics, everybody. Tomorrow we'll do the regular questions. Rakesh Naidu, super fast. Rahul, super fast. How much extra? 10. 10 per 30. 10 per 30 means 1/3. What is 1/3? 33, 1 by 3%. Are you understanding everybody? Say yes or no. Chaliye. Now, let's move forward. That's good. You are faster. I am also faster. You tell me. Tell me faster. Are you sure? That's good. How extra? Extra how much beta? 10. 10% or 10 per 70? 10 per 70. बोलो तो 1 by 7. I don't know 1 by 7. क्या होता है? 14 2 by 7. ए बाबू, question change. Fast 90 110. चला make it faster. Make it faster.